Hi there, Patrick Durkin here with the Durkin Group at ERA Brokers Consolidated here in Las Vegas, and you are probably seeing this a little bit more frequently than usual. We are going to be taking a break from our regularly scheduled Quick Tip Tuesday show. Quick Tip Tuesday is a once a month video that we send out to our friends, family, clients, community to bring you all things real estate related resources. However, in light of the recent developments, and as I'm sure you know, the most common term right now in all news headlines and media is the coronavirus, and we feel, and we are taking the stance that we really, and especially in this time, need to be a resource to our friends, our clients, our family, our community, now more than ever. Certainly we are not medical professionals, but we do want to be a resource to you. We do want to be the voice of reason for you. And so with that, you're going to be seeing this a little bit more frequently than usual, just to bring you updates on anything that you could benefit from. And today we're going to be talking about 3 things that you may benefit from. And one, let's get right into it, starting as the Federal Housing Finance Agency has actually released a program to where you could be eligible to defer payments on your mortgage if you've been affected, if you've been laid off, if your income has been affected by this coronavirus. And in the email, I've included a link to the details on this. Now, I don't know exactly how this works yet. From what I know and from my research, you have to apply for it, and you have to be eligible for it. Your current mortgage loan has to be a Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac insured loan. That does not mean serviced. It does not mean you're making your payments out to Freddie Mac, Fannie Mae. In fact, you wouldn't do that because they are loan insurers, not servicers. So click on the link if that might be of help to you to defer some payments. Again, I don't know the full details on that, on how they work the program. I'm sure it's going to be a case by case as well. So secondly is tax filing deadline extensions to July 15th. I've included a link directly to the PDF document from the IRS.gov website explaining the details of the extension. I did speak with a tax professional recently, and they encouraged us to relay the message to go ahead and file your taxes sooner rather than later, even though we do have an extension. I know really we're in uncharted territory here with the coronavirus, and the reason for the encouragement for filing earlier rather than later is if in the event a government were facing some sort of delay or possibly even a shutdown, it's better to have that filed earlier rather than later, because if you do have a refund coming to you, you can at least take advantage of that if you do file earlier. So it looks like as of right now, it has been extended till July 15th. Again, there's a link in this email explaining that article directly from the IRS.gov website. Thirdly, here is the you may have heard in news headlines and media of a economic stimulus check. To my knowledge, nothing is set in stone yet. It's still a bill bouncing back here of whether that's going to be passed or not. I don't have additional details on the stimulus check, but I do have details. Unfortunately, we live in a day and age where people are already starting to take advantage of this, and there are scams out there, whether it be email, phone calls, text messages, asking for your personal information for an economic stimulus check. So be very aware of that. We've included a link to report that directly to the FBI if you feel that you are being scammed for this economic stimulus check. Again, to my knowledge, nothing is set in stone yet, but I have a link if you feel that if you get a suspicious call to report that. And lastly, but definitely not least, is, like we said earlier, it's no mystery to you what's going on right now. And one of the questions that we're getting from our community, our friends, our family, our clients, are really, how is this affecting real estate? And the best answer I can give is we're taking it day by day. There are people that have told us that they're going to be holding off buying, selling, investing for now, and we absolutely respect that decision. We are still communicating with them on a regular basis. On the other hand, there are people that absolutely need to make a real estate move. We're doing so and we're moving forward with the proper safety protocols in place and safety measures via virtual showings if you're a buyer. If there was a bright side to this situation, a lot of the technological advances here in real estate allow us to do a lot via cloud-based services, DocuSign, Dropbox, etc., writing offers. That being said, if you do have any questions that we can help you out with, we really feel that we need to be a resource to you now more than ever, whether it be question in regards to your mortgage and how we can help with that, as far as directing you to the right resources on maybe getting that payments deferred if you are affected by this. Certainly we are not a CPA, but we can certainly point in the right direction to the resources for the tax deadline extensions. And lastly there on the scam, if you feel that you are being scammed for the economic stimulus check, people asking for your information, there's a link in this email there below as well. So again, let us know how you're holding up. Let us know how you're doing. If we can be of assistance to you, we are more than happy to help any way we can. Until next time, you know where to reach us, 702-780-1510 or info@𝐷IRKHENGrouplv.com. And hope you're staying safe and healthy until next time. Thanks. Bye-bye.